This is pretty fun, you guys. I can see why kids are into this. So if you have kids, you've probably spent some time with slime. Kids are really, really into slime. And this year, Jell-O has come out with their own version of slime. There are two flavors, Monster and Unicorn, which are actually lime and strawberry. It's 100% edible. We're gonna give it a try. So the recipe is 3 scoops of slime powder for every 1 scoop of water. It smells like that medicine that has like a strawberry flavor, like amoxicillin. This has a funny texture. It's doing something. Wow. It feels really weird. Look, it like breaks in half if you break it, but then it oozes. This is really weird. It is really firm. Like when you squeeze it, you can like make it into a ball like this. But then look, oh, whoa. Did you see that? That was wild. I've never played with slime before. This is my first time. Look, you can peel it off and it's all crispy. What a strange substance. It tastes like amoxicillin. It has that kind of like powdered bubblegum strawberry flavor. And it's strangely chalky. It's so in between every single texture that exists that I don't even have a word for it. All right, time to try our second slime flavor, Monster Slime. Green is a way better slime color. I mean, this is exactly what slime should be. It smells kind of like a lime popsicle. I would be very scared about having this near like upholstery or any priceless artifacts. This is like an outside toy. It kind of gets stuck in your throat a little. It's very powdery. If Smarties came in lime flavor, this is probably what they would taste like. I think this lime green is way better than the pink. It tastes like an actual lime candy rather than amoxicillin for an ear infection. Listen, this is not just for kids. Like, I feel very, very relaxed as I watch this slime ooze down my wrist. It's kind of soothing. I'm Maura Judkis, a reporter for the Washington Post, and this is the most fun mess I have ever made.